What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button to support the channel. Anyways, you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and jump right in and find out exactly what we paid for the 2020 Can-Am XMR 850. So the winning bid on the bike from Copart was at $7,100, and when you add up all the fees, it was $7,800 out the door. So as some of you guys know, we did get the bike from New York and it costed us $500 for the shipping, but I'm not going to include that in the price. It was just a small investment towards the channel at the time, and you can always find this bike local to you and pick it up yourself. With all the maintenance done on the bike, we did several oil changes to get all the water flushed out of the motor. That rounded up to be about $200, and now the bike performs just like it did new. So all in all, the quad is sitting at $8,450 right now if you include the shipping. If not, it was $7,950 to bring this bike back to its original performance. I had a lot of questions asked on what the winning bid was for the Can-Am, so hopefully this settles that. Also, if you want to see a cost breakdown on the Razor, be sure to drop a like on this video, which I did get pulled over in the other day, and I almost got myself in jail and the Razor confiscated. So I am fighting some legal issues right now. So I did set up a donation link down in the description in a PO box. It'll be super awesome if you guys could support the channel. The rest of the videos are just some extra clips I put in, getting some ideas for my next build. So if you're wanting any progress done in this video, it's not for you. Go ahead and cancel out. But those of you that do want to watch till the end, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, guys, check this out. We just made it a white cycle here in Chattanooga, and I want to check out this 1000 right here. Never seen the Kawasaki's do something like this. It's 21,652. It's pretty much the same design as a Can-Am or the Polaris Razor. It's got some beefed up suspension. I like the lime green. Dang, check out these tail lights. They got a new design. Yeah, these door handles are a little bit weird though. They got two of them. Dang, that is pretty sick. Check out this sound bar. I mean, the roll cage could get a little upgrade. But yeah, dude, this thing's sitting wide, man. And check out this Outlander 650. So this is pretty much what we got. But ours sits so much higher than this right here. This is exactly what we got right here. Hey, that's pretty neat right there. It fits in this Rhino.
Wait a minute. This is not a Rhino.
What is this?
This is a Can-Am Defender. We don't sell Yamaha.
What do you think about that Kawasaki? The 1000.
It's a neat machine.
How does it compare to the Can-Ams or the Razors?
It compares very well. It's a naturally aspirated 114 horsepower engine, so it's not a turbo, but it does very well. Comes with 14.4 inches of ground clearance, 8 inches of travel in the front suspension, 21 inch travel in the rear suspension, 15 inch beadlock wheels, 31 inch, there we go, 31 inch tires. Everything you see on it standard. We added the front bumper, rear bumper, tow hooks front and rear, and we added the Memphis Audio soundbar.
So the wheels come factory like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
That's nice, man. I kind of like the handles too, how they got them on both ends. Okay. That's pretty neat, man. I'm gonna have to check this out. So only 114 horsepower?
Well, they're a turbo, so if, you know, whatever. I know Polaris does make a non-turbo model.
What are these 31s?
31s.
Nice.
The carnivores.
Pretty much same design though. I like the swing arms. Are these aftermarket or are these stock?
No, that's all stock. That's standard.
Really?
Oh no, they do a very good job.
Those are beefed up.
A whole lot better than what Polaris ever thought about.
Oh yeah. Don't really like the exhaust. I like how the Can-Ams are, like the center exhaust. Those are pretty neat. But
yeah, they did that because of the 3-cylinder engine, where that's a twin.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Does it have a longer wheelbase than like a Razor?
Yes, it does.
Okay. Do they make these in 4-seaters?
Not yet.
All right, thanks for your time.
You're very welcome. Thank you for coming in today, man.
Check out this Can-Am right here, man. The Maverick DS. Man, I love these seats right over here. I think I need to upgrade my seats and get some better harnesses. But check that out. I really like the steering wheel, man, how it's like flat at the bottom. And then you got the oh shit handle right in the middle. Dang, and it's got the mirrors. That is sick. Let's see what, oh, let's check out some jet skis. Dang, check out this Sea-Doo right over here, man. This thing looks mean. A GTR. Oh, that's not bad on the price. Dang, I really like the steering wheel, man. That is sick. That is so awesome. Look at the seat and everything. This doesn't really compare to my Kawasaki, but oh my goodness, check out this design right here. Man, I love these colors. They did a really good job. And look at the speakers right over here. That is sick. Same cluster as what we got. Let's see if we can find a Kawasaki. Here's your standard Sparks right over here. Yeah, these things are way too small, and I don't really like how they got the plastic tub. I mean, they're a little bit lighter and whatnot. Check that out, 7583 out the door. Man, they are loaded with vehicles here. Oh man, I like that pearl white right there. That is sick. That is awesome right there. High output. Man, I like how the mirrors are like built in with like the front storage compartment. That looks pretty neat. But anyways, we're just checking out some of this stuff while we get some oil and other things. Let's go check out some of these dirt bikes right here. Check out this, I don't know, is this a 250 or 450? Oh, this is a 450. I wish they had like a modded one out here with like an exhaust, but look, from factory, they got the power bomb right over here. That is sick, man. You can't go wrong with this green right over here. Heck yeah. Check out those disc brakes. It went crazy, man. But yeah, guys, if you're in the Chattanooga area, be sure to check out White Cycle. They got you covered. Here's a Can-Am. What is this? Oh, this is a 850. But this is a 2019. We got the 2020 MXR. Check out this little cluster compared to what we got. But shoot, my thing sits so much higher than this. That kind of just shows you what wheels and tires can do to a vehicle. This one right here is more comparable. What is this? A 1000. That is sick. I like the bead locks. But yeah, you could kind of see like the orange peel just like you can on mine. I think they need to do a little bit better on that right there. But check that price tag. $13,994. Dang, this right here looks pretty neat. This thing looks like it'll go super fast. It's got the independent suspension. I gotta ask him about this handle. I'm not sure what this is. But yeah, that is sick. So if you are in the Chattanooga area, be sure to check out White Cycles. They got you covered. They got a Maverick right here, 4-door. Dang, this thing right here is sick. Woo. Check that out, man. That's coming soon to the channel. And then they got a bunch of other neat Rhinos and Can-Ams, Kawasaki's, man. They got you covered. Let me know down in the comments if there was any vehicle you could pick out of here, which one it would be. They got some more awesome things outside. I'll catch you up with that. But yeah, I just can't get over these jet skis. They look so sick. I like them. Check out this Harley. Or what is this? This is a Vulcan? That is sick, man. I had a Vulcan. Oh, this is a Vulcan 900. That is sick, man. Tell me this thing doesn't look like a Harley. That is awesome right there. And I like the lime green. I can't get over that. Here's another, whatever this thing is. It's only $16,000. I might have to ask him about this. I think it's like they got the design from a Jeep or something. Oh shoot, this thing is turbo diesel. That is sick. Check that out. I like that. He's got 3 buttons on the cluster. Check that out. I need to get one of those stickers. Don't do anything stupid. You know what I mean? Here's the info if you're interested. So it's a 2.5 liter turbo diesel, got 62 horsepower, and it's a 2019. So be sure to check out White Cycles here in Chattanooga if you're interested in any of these vehicles. They can hook you up. All right, guys, so we just made it here to Honda of Power Sports here in Chattanooga. This is one of the largest dealers, and check this beast out. It's got some 35s. That is sick. American Force, I like those. I wonder how much higher this thing is lifted than like a stock Talon. But that is sick, man. This might be the next project right here. Check it out. Let's get a good look inside. I don't really like the cluster though. It's kind of small. And then check out the seats. That is sick. This is a 1000R. I really like the color of it. But let's check out some of their bikes. I was really trying to see if they had any razors around here to get some rough measurements. Check this 4-door Talon out right here. That is pretty sick. Definitely gonna have my eyes open on one of these in the near future. But what I really wanted to show you guys are the bikes right over here. Check this out, guys. We got the 250 right here, and I really like how Honda does the dual exhaust. That's pretty neat. And then check out this one right here. This is a 450R. Look at those pipes, Yoshimura's. Man, that is a sick bike. Definitely want to get one of these here very soon. This is a 450 RX. Not sure what that means. It seems like it's got a bigger tank than the 450R. But this right here is a race bike, man. I sat on it. It fits me just right. And this is something we're going to be looking at in the near future. Check out this pre-owned 85 right here. Or is this a 65? Oh, this is a 150R. Dang, that thing is tiny. I remember growing up on this thing. I remember riding these things back in the day, man. This thing looks really tiny now. Here's a pre-owned 450. And they're asking $4,900 for this 2014. That is high right there. It's got the FMF dual exhaust. Check out this KTM right here. And that's a $5,499. Dang, this is a Rubicon Foreman right here. That thing is tiny. This thing is stripped down, but it's brand new. It's kind of weird seeing a brand new machine like that, but that's what it's made out of. That's all it is right there, guys. Those are some tiny shocks right there, but it's looking clean. All right, guys, so we're back in the Altima, and I am gonna buckle up before somebody says something in the comments, but we did get our oil right over here, and they don't have any spark plugs, so we did get those on order. Those should be in by Wednesday. And also, I did find a good helmet that I was gonna buy, but it doesn't really match my Can-Am or the Razor, so we're just gonna go look somewhere else, but I'll catch you guys back at the house.